What's up? Welcome to our first ever van build of our Volkswagen Crafter. We bought this van 1.5 years ago now. It's a 2018 plate. We bought it whilst we were renovating our house to lug things, materials back and forth and things like that, and it's been amazing, but now the time has come to an end for that part of its use. So we don't need the van any longer to lug things around the house, so it's going to become our camper van. It's a medium wheelbase van, which you can get long wheelbase and extra long wheelbase as well, and those are sort of more like apartments basically. So this is going to be more like a smaller van build. We've been discussing the layout recently, the design. We haven't completely decided on exactly how we're going to do things in here just yet, but today we're going to get started stripping it out, taking all the old ply off of the walls, taking the divider out the front and bringing the floor up as well, and just getting it all cleaned out and seeing how much rust we're going to find, which hopefully we're not going to find any. More than likely, we're going to find some. So let's find out. So we're going to start on this side of the van then. On this side of the van, there's 3 bits of ply that need to come off. Let's get going. I have seen some people, they have magnetic trays and they'll just strap them anywhere in the van, because obviously it's all metal, you can strap it anywhere. And then whenever you're pulling screws out or anything, you can just stick them to it, say putting them in your pocket or losing them. So I think we're going to have to go and buy one of them. So I can see that some of these screws are already rusty and the head's gone on, so they're not coming off. Alright, so getting that side off took about 10 minutes, a little bit longer than I expected because I wasn't sure which way around to do it. Tried to get the side panel off first, turns out the thing over the wheel arch, the bit over the wheel arch was holding it back, so as soon as I got that off it came straight off, but now I know for the second side, so yeah, 10 minutes. Now I'm going to just check out, see if there's any signs of rust or anything like that behind, because this has never been exposed before, I've never seen it anyway, so just going to check out the condition of it really. So there's a few scratches there, just things where I probably had stuff in the van and they've just gone through and scratched, but honestly there's no rust. Alright, so as you can see, all of the walls are now off. It's very echoey in here now because it's all exposed tin. But yeah, next job is to get this divider out of the back, and then hopefully the place will feel even bigger. We still haven't decided if we're going to leave that down or put a partition back up there to divide the front and the cab. Pros and cons to both really. We would love to have a divider because we think that that would like make the back of the van feel divided from the front of the van, whereas in the front you're like in a car basically, right? You're driving, it's like your driving space, it's the cab, and in the back you want to make that feel more like a home. So having a divider would be really nice, but because this isn't the biggest van in the world, not having a divider would mean we can have swivel seats and then the cab can become part of the living space. So still haven't fully decided. Gonna let you decide what we do with that.
Well, I think we should remove it. That's my expert opinion.
Yeah, we are going to remove it. It's just whether we put one back or not.
All right. No, basically.
We're not. Okay.
Ooh.
There you go. We are open. It's all opened up. This is the seat in the middle where if we're going to have a divider, we'll probably have a bit of an arch or something here, and then you'll be able to like go through the arch, get into your seats.
Yeah, only if necessary. It's just more of like an escape route.
Yeah.
Like if a bear is knocking on your door.
Oh yeah,
and you need to
live in
just
California,
drive off.
we're going to Yosemite, yeah. Bears in the UK. Mind you, we might go to Scotland. So
Exactly. Wait, are there bears in Scotland?
I think so.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure? We might be needing to run from like the Loch Ness monster anyway.
Loch Ness. Next job is to get the floor up, and the floor is, if anything, going to be the worst because the sides have been really nice, really tidy, really clean, no rust. If anything, it's going to be under here, so got to take these up first and then see how clean it's going to be. Right, so there we go. The strip out is pretty much done. All in, we've probably been at it for about an hour now. And yeah, we've got all the boards off the walls. We've got the panel out the front, the bulkhead, and we've just got the floor up. Embarrassingly, my extension lead's not working, so I'm gonna have to buy a new extension lead. And once we've got that, then we can hoover and clean all this up. I don't really want to sweep it because now the cab's all exposed and it would get super dusty in the front, so I'm gonna just go and buy a new extension lead, hoover all this up and then clean it down. And then the next step will be obviously the windows, sound deadening, and starting to get it insulated. So I'm really excited for that. But for now, I'm gonna have to call it a day. But yeah, good progress on the first day, I'd say. Okay, I've got one tiny little bit of floorboard left here, and the reason for that is that my drill bit spun the top of the screw head, the bolt head, so that was unable to come out. So what I had to do, I had to improvise circular saw, cut around it, and then I'll get that out with a grinder later. Again, same reason why I can't do that now is the same reason as why I can't hoover, because my extension lead's not here and I haven't got a battery powered grinder, which is maybe something I should invest in. But yeah, tiny bit of flooring left there, but other than that, happy days. I reckon I'm gonna go and get some dinner. What do you reckon, Eves? What are we having?
Don't know.
Huh?
Don't know, but I'm hungry. Let's go.
Rice? Beans on toast?
You can have beans if you want.
Yeah, I love beans on toast. Jacket potato, something like that. Alright, anyway, yeah, that's it for episode 1. Join us next week where we'll be doing a little bit more.